Digital currencies have turned into a success and misfortune circumstance worldview for certain clients. In this way, merchants and financial backers generally search for cost expectations arranged down to the littlest detail. Today, we examine the market opinions concerning the Monero venture and investigate the XMR coin's exchanging possibilities. If it's not too much trouble, note that the crypto market experiences extraordinary unpredictability. Continuously do your own exploration to survey chances and the ongoing business sector circumstance. What is Monero? In 2014, another computerized resource was made because of a hard fork executed on the Bitcoin chain. At the very start, Monero had a more complicated name, Monero. Nonetheless, a couple of days after the fact, the group opened up the wallet interface and the hack confirmation code and persuaded the local area to embrace a more easy-to-use name for the coin. Monero is a digital money and decentralized blockchain biological system controlled by the Random X convention. The Monero digital money utilizes a one-time ring mark calculation to perform unknown exchanges. While picking a name for their coin, the engineers were roused by the global language Esperanto. Because of ring marks and secret locations, Monero is a confidential digital money. A ring mark is an unknown computerized signature that doesn't uncover who marked the exchange. Those marks are produced on the Monero stage by consolidating source keys and public keys on the blockchain. Secret locations are arbitrary addresses created during every exchange for one-time use. They conceal the exchange's objective location close by the beneficiary's character. Ring private exchanges likewise conceal the exchange sum. This element was presented in January 2017 as a necessity for all exchanges performed on the Monero organization. The confirmation of work calculation is utilized for affirming exchanges on the organization. Monero Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Monero costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Monero will be $239.73. The greatest level that the XMR cost can reach is $273.14. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $248.02. Likely return for money invested, 65.2% by XMR value estimate for January 2023 in view of the value changes of Monero toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical XMR pace of $174.10 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $159.17 and at $179.07. Separately, expected return for money invested, 8.3% by February 2023. Monero value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the XMR cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $174.43. While the greatest could reach $186.04 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Monero may be around $181.06. Expected return on initial capital investment, 12.5% by XMR value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Monero in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XMR rate they anticipate may be around $184.68 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $176.39 as a base. The greatest worth may be $193.28. Expected return for money invested, 16.9% by April 2023. Monero value figure around mid-year 2022. The XMR cost will be exchanged at $192.07 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Monero worth to $200.67. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $185.44 in April 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 21.4% by XMR value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Monero costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $195.91. The most minimal and top XMR rates may be $187.62 and $210.27. Likely return on initial capital investment, 27.2% by June 2023. Monero value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XMR cost will be around $203.75. In June 2023, the Monero cost might drop to at least $195.46. The normal pinnacle worth may be $218.11 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 31.9% by XMR value conjecture for July 2023. Having examined Monero costs, digital money specialists expect that the XMR rate could arrive at a limit of $228.30 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $199.54. For July 2023, the determined normal of Monero is almost $207.83. Likely return on initial capital investment, 38.1% by August 2023. Monero value gauge around mid-2022. The Monero cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $216.14. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the XMR cost could vary somewhere in the range of $207.85 and $236.61. Likely return on initial capital investment, 43.1% by XMR value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Monero worth won't dip under at least $218.15. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $245.26. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $224.79. Possible return for money invested, 48.4% by October 2023. Monero value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of XMR costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Monero will be around $254.24, with a chance of dropping to at least $224.90. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $231.53. Possible return for money invested, 53.8% by XMR value figure for November 2023. In view of the value changes of Monero toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XMR pace of $240.79 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $234.16 and at $263.50. Separately, possible return for capital invested, 59.4% by December 2023. Monero value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the XMR cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $239.73, while the greatest could reach $273.14 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Monero may be around $248.02. Possible return for money invested, 65.2% by Monero value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Monero in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Monero will be around $343.52. The most extreme expected XMR cost might be around $405.54. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $353.44 in 2024. Monero value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Monero, in 2025, XMR is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $489.